Hello, today is a very special day on the news. Hiyo, Chinese man here, coming at you with some very special Chinese stuff today. You're gonna be amused, so stay tuned, Chinese. Hello. Today's episode of Chinese with Chinese man is about child abuse. Get on the floor. Get on. You think you have the right to do it. Why you do it? Why you do it?
No, this cannot be happening. Chinese man, I am only the Chinese in the studio.
Chinese lady, we assure you, Chinese man is a really good guy.
You're just getting kind of boring. I'm not boring, you said boring.
Sorry, Chinese lady, Chinese man is here to stay. The poster fell down. So I hear that we are doing an episode on nature today. Actually, Chinese man, the nature segment is only for the news for kids. You're on the show with Chinese lady.
We are working together. I will not have it.
You're gonna have a piece of pie if you don't stop what you're doing, Chinese lady. I do love me a piece of pie.
Miku is my name, Miku is my game, Miku. Chinese man, can I talk to you in the other room?
Yes, of course, Miss Chinese lady. You are so beautiful.
Listen here, Chinese man. I am already planning to kill someone else in the studio. I don't need two people to kill.
Oh, Chinese lady, you don't have to kill someone of your own kind.
But I must kill the Chinese man.
Notify. Kill you first. I am a witch, China. Hello, I am back from talking with a Chinese lady here. Chinese man, you're seeming kinda suspicious. Where's Chinese lady? I had my way with her in the other room. That slut.
Oh, hello. I didn't even see you there. Welcome to the Candle Boy Show. I'm your host, Candle Boy. Today's fragrance of the day is Black Witch. It's good to smell, good to see, and most of all, it tastes delicious.
So Chinese man, do you know what it takes to be a newscaster? It takes two to make a single, right? Today's episode of the news is about nature. Nature's wonderful. It's all around us. It really is. Who is that down in the forest? There's someone down there. Is that new boss? No, new boss, come back! Come back! New boss! Chinese lady, or man, or whoever you are, I saw a new boss in the woods. New boss? Who is this new boss? You speak. I keep forgetting. You don't know who new boss is. You don't know who anybody is. Why did I hire you? You may think you hired me, but you didn't. What do you mean by I didn't hire you? Ooh, I am here to get rid of all of you Free the mind. Free the mind? What are you talking about? It will all make sense someday. Why isn't new boss here? I hold all the answers.
You hold no answers, you filthy creep!
I thought I killed you.
I got freaking shot in season 1. You think you can kill me with one little hit of a skull thing? Hayat!
Oh! Chinese lady, he tried to kill you? He thought he did kill me. Main character, something is happening in this studio. I know something's happening. I saw a new boss in the woods.
I know. I was watching you from the window.
You were? So you saw him too?
Yes, I saw him. I also saw you run down the hill, try to look into the forest and see if you could see him, and as you were running back up, you fall down the hill.
Really, Chinese lady?